Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you delete the server of your Discord account. It is very easy and it is very simple process. Just follow the step which I am showing you. So let's get into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Discord application, of course. Then you will notice you have a server. Just simply click on your server. After opening your server, you have to click on the three dots that are present in the upper right corner of your screen. After opening it, you will find the menu. After opening it, you will find these options: boost, invite, notifications and settings. Click on settings. Now in the settings you will find multiple options. You have to click on overview, open overview and scroll down till the end and you will see the option of delete server. Click on the option of delete server and then allow it and press yes. After pressing yes, it might take a little while to delete your server completely and your server is deleted. This is how you can delete your Discord server easily and simply. It is a very easy and simple process to go through. Everyone can do it easily. Thank you so much for watching it, and if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and also comment below.